Hello, almost 21 years ago I moved from Austria to Canada, and back then it really stood out to me. Canadians are polite and they apologize a lot for almost everything. I have even read that over-apologizing has turned into a cultural norm. A recent survey conducted by Preply found that Canadians apologize on average about 9 times a day. Of course, a sincere "I'm sorry" has its place and should be said, but there are also times when people say it without really meaning it, which defeats its purpose. In my line of work, I focus on language and how we can say things in a more meaningful way. Today I would like to give a few examples of when it's better to replace sorry with a different word or phrase which can evoke different emotions. Instead of feeling guilty or unreliable, it can express what we appreciate about the other person. Sorry for rescheduling. A better way of saying this is, I appreciate your flexibility in scheduling a different time. Sorry, I had to take this call. How about, thanks for your patience. Unfortunately, I had to take this call. Sorry for bothering you. Why not say, thanks for making the time to see me? Finally, sorry, I don't get it. Here's what you can say instead. Can you please repeat this? I want to make sure that I understand correctly. Life is busy and things get in the way at times, but there is no need to apologize all day long. Here's a quote by Emily Keeler that reinforces my point. Hey, if you bump into me, well, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be in the way of you going about your life. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.